Moisture is the silent killer in 3D printing. It turns engineering filaments into scrap. Brittle, weak parts that break when you install them. The old solution: baking the whole spool in the oven. This is unreliable, unpredictable, and takes a lot of hours. It also means that the filament in the inner core of the spool doesn't dry out as much as the one on the outside. Drywise is an intelligent filament processor. It dries the filament in line and in real time, seconds before it reaches the print head. The result? Perfect surface finish, superior mechanical strength, ultimate control on the material, no guesswork, no prep time. Just load the filament and start printing. Transform your 3D printing into an industrial process. Use Drywise, the ultimate material control.